Benvenuti in Italia, a land where history whispers from every corner and art and culture are as abundant as its delectable cuisine. Join us as we embark on an unforgettable journey through Italy, a country that has captivated the hearts of travelers for centuries. The historic of Rome, asterisk. Our first stop is Rome, the Eternal City. Here, ancient history stands tall amidst modern life. The Colosseum, once the site of legendary gladiator battles, still dominates the landscape. Wander through the Roman Forum, where the echoes of the ancient empire resonate through the ruins. Don't miss experiencing the vibrant pizzas, each telling its own story. And as the sun sets, see how the city transforms under the golden light. The romance of Venice. Next, let's drift to the enchanting city of Venice. Glide through its famous canals on a gondola and marvel at the architectural masterpiece that is St. Mark's Basilica. The city's magic lies in its ability to blend art, history, and water so seamlessly. Explore the rich culture of Venetian craftsmanship. From the intricate masks to the world-renowned Murano glass, Venice is a treasure trove of artistry. The Renaissance heart of Florence. In Florence, the birthplace of the Renaissance, art is not just in galleries but in every street and square. The Duomo, with its iconic red dome, is a testament to human creativity. And who could forget Michelangelo's David, standing proudly in the Galleria dell'Accademia? Stroll through the vibrant markets or sip on a cappuccino at a quaint cafe, and just soak in the city's artistic legacy. The coastal paradise of Amalfi Coast. For a change of pace, the Amalfi Coast awaits. With its colorful cliffside villages and crystal-clear waters, it's a slice of heaven. Whether you're savoring fresh seafood or exploring hidden caves, the Amalfi Coast is a dream for any traveler. The colorful villages of Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre, a string of 5 fishing villages perched along the rugged Italian Riviera, is a symphony of colors. The hiking trails linking these villages offer some of the most picturesque views of the Mediterranean. The diverse beauty of Sicily. Our journey wouldn't be complete without the diverse beauty of Sicily. From the ancient Greek ruins of the Valley of the Temples to the majestic Mount Etna, Sicily enchants with its rich history and stunning landscapes. Italy is more than a destination, it's an emotion. It's the joy of a shared meal, the awe of witnessing a masterpiece, and the serenity of a sunset over the Mediterranean. Every moment in Italy is a moment to be treasured. Enjoyed the journey? Hit like, subscribe for more adventures, and turn on the bell for notifications. Arrivederci!